Oh yeah, this is Studio City. Yes, yes. Look at this. MGM, yes, MGM.
Not this stop, the next stop.
Are you sure it's MGM?
Not this one.
I forgot its name. It's next to it. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I forgot its name. It's next to it. The Morphe hotel is very expensive as well. So this one. MGM.
What do you want to do? It's up to you.
Let's go and quickly check MGM. We can have a cocktail there.
We think MGM Cotai is the most impressive casino in terms of architecture and design. It looks like a stack of expensive suitcases from a distance. Opened in 2018. A hefty $3.4 billion was spent on the project.
Oh.
And yes, it's one of the biggest casinos, if not the biggest in Macau.
This artwork. I think here we go. And those sculptures as well. It's a famous artist. Bright and colorful, and that is from Taiwan. And the lion, it's a new type of art. It's not multimedia actually, flipping 3D sculpture. A Chinese artist. Oh, I really like it, this one. It's also a clock. Oh wow. No, it's in China, no. Oh, another artwork. Sina.
Leo the Lion is not only the mascot for Hollywood film studio MGM, but also for MGM Resort. That's why the density of lion sculptures throughout is very high at this casino. This lobby holds the Guinness World Record title for being so big and column free. It's over 4 stories high and the length of a soccer field. There are 25 LED advanced screens in various sizes, showing artwork, and that's why the lobby is called the Spectacle.
Inside we also have some cakes or dessert. If you want to go inside to take a look later, and if you choose, you just let them know it's 5A. We can deliver to the table.
Okay, one more. Thank you.
will go to win as well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Pretty good.
It's got a kick.
Wow. That's what we need. Very relaxing.
I haven't got one now. One over there's broken.
Really, Macau is really, it's all about gambling here. And just look at this. Fantastic. Macau gives more profit than Las Vegas. And by the way, you can, I don't understand much about it, but you can put 10,000 bucks as a stake in Las Vegas is the maximum. But here it's 260,000 is the highest stake.
I'm sure Vegas would have more bets higher than 10,000.
No, 10,000. 10,000.
10,000?
Is the limit, yeah. And here's 260,000 or 50,000. Look at this. They have this artwork everywhere. Yeah, let's go. From MGM to Wynn Hotel Palace. Look at this. Opa.